Hey guys, my name is Kyle and we're going to be doing a quick install to show you how to put on the optional LED light kit for your MotoTote. So in the box we have the light assembly, 4 mounting screws and black nylon ties. So we have our hazard lights on right now, and as you can see, the optional LED light kit will help improve the safety of you and your motorcycle and those around you. So we have the bike off now, so it's easier to see what we're doing. All you're going to need for this install is a screwdriver and a tool to cut the nylon ties. For step 1 of installing the lights, we're simply going to insert the screwdriver into the back and give it a little twist to help pop out the light. Now that we have the bezel removed from both light assemblies, identify the left and the right, and we'll get to installing the bezel. So we're going to be using the pre-drilled holes on the MotoTote to install the light assembly. Ensure that the wiring is just as mine is. Now that we've secured the bezel with the mounting screws, we're simply going to remove the protective plastic, line the light up, and apply some pressure. For step 4, we're simply going to use the nylon cables and secure the wiring to the MotoTote. Now that the wiring is nice and secure, we'll simply cut the excess off the nylon cables. So the North American light assembly kit comes with a 4-pin connector, as we see here, and all you're going to do is simply plug it into your vehicle. Now before you hit the road with your MotoTote, now is a great time to check for proper operation of your brake, tail lights, and turn signals.